Just be committed and disciplined, and that will get you there. And it takes practice, it takes time, but if you keep doing it and keep doing it, and you make incremental steps each day towards what you need to do, it gets easier. Welcome back. I am driving, so I'm being a little dangerous, but that's what I do. Anyway, something came over me as far as thinking about some advice to give you guys as nurses, new nurse practitioners, whatever. And I was thinking about it, and I was like, what is it that I can say? What can I tell new nursing students, new nurse practitioner students, or really anyone who's trying to reach a goal? So I thought about it, and I was thinking, there are techniques to studying, there are techniques to your goals, there's techniques to so many things, right? And I use a lot of techniques. And so there's a process that I use with my goals. And here, probably maybe for the last couple years, or as I was learning intermittent fasting, I used it with that, but that kind of dawned on me late. But I know that I'm the type of person that needs technique, that needs like strategies to do this thing called life. And so what I use, the strategy is called steps, and I use it with everything and anything. And I think I'll get into that in another video. But just quickly, it's really setting the goal, whatever that is. And then it's really telling yourself, that's the T in steps, telling yourself that you can accomplish the goal, whatever that is. You're affirming yourself that you can accomplish the goal. And then the E is actually executing, figuring out what it is, evaluating what it is that you need to do to execute the goal on a daily basis, or to do intermittent fasting, or whatever it is, right? Because the step or the technique applies to everything. And then the P is, of course, you plan your day out. You plan for obstacles. You plan for the things that may happen, right? What gets planned gets done. And, I say that in everything. And then the S, again, that really is kind of multifaceted, because the S, of course, is speaking the goal, telling someone. And then it's also support, getting support for whatever the goal is, or for whatever you're doing, right? Because if you end up telling someone, I'm trying to get this camera right. If you end up telling someone what you're doing, they're going to hold you accountable, whether it's in a positive way or a negative way. Because they will say, hey, I thought you were doing intermittent fasting. I thought you were eating one meal a day. Hey, I thought you were vegan. Or, hey, I thought you were carnivore or keto or whatever. What are you doing with that bagel in your mouth? Or I thought you were kind of, on a weight loss journey, but you gained like 30 pounds, ma'am. What are you doing, ma'am? Anyway, so that's the S. It's like support, whether that's positive or negative, and speaking it into the universe, because the universe will excel your goals. But that's not really what I came to tell you today. I don't know why I got on that, but what I came to tell you is this. With your goals, with your schoolwork, with your papers, with your studying, when you first start school and you're really, really motivated, you're excited, when you first think of a goal or a journey or a job or whatever it is, you're really, really excited and you're really motivated about it. But that dies down. The motivation died down. It dies down. I'm telling you, you cannot stay motivated to get you over the hump. What does keep you there, what gets the job done, is discipline. Is discipline. Discipline over everything. Which means it doesn't matter how you feel. It doesn't matter that you don't want to study. It doesn't matter that you don't want to make those phone calls. It doesn't matter. It matters that you do it and you stay disciplined to it, and you stay disciplined to what you need to do. So it's great to have motivation. It really is. It's great to be self-motivated, but if you don't have discipline, nothing works. Nothing works. And that can be applied anywhere. And so that came to me. I think I saw something that motivated me to talk about it, because we think that, oh my God, I'm not motivated today. Oh my gosh, I don't feel like it. Nobody feels like it, sis. But be dedicated to it. Be dedicated to your goals. Be dedicated to you. Be dedicated to the process. And I don't know why I say I think. I know that I posted on Instagram about being committed to the process without being emotionally tied to the outcome. And I was listening to a coach say that to his team. It's so true, because I want to go to sleep, but I know I have something to do. I know I have a paper to get done. I'm hungry and I want to eat that bagel, but I know that's going to put extra pounds on me. No, just be committed and disciplined, and that will get you there. And it takes practice. It takes time. But if you keep doing it and keep doing it, and you make incremental steps each day towards what you need to do, it gets easier. And y'all, I'm trying to drive and do this in traffic, which is not great. It's great for me. But I don't have a lot of time in the day, but I figured I would make sure that I have a video up on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So I said, while I'm in the car, I spend a lot of time in the car, I'm gonna do a video. So peace, guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. Hit the like button if you like this video. Give me some comments. Leave me some comments. How do you feel about that? Do you think that motivation trumps dedication, commitment? What do you think about that? You know what I think? I'm all about dedication. I'm all about commitment. And that's what has worked for me. And I've been doing pretty darn good with it. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for tapping in. Thanks for stopping at my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.